I can't talk today, so we're just gonna do all of that again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am just doing a quick winged liner tutorial for you because now that I have substantially less hair, eyeliner and eyebrows become all that much more important. So I just wanted to go through a very quick winged liner tutorial for you because this is something that I do quite literally every day and I don't even hardly think about it anymore, but I know a lot of people really struggle to get their winged liner right, and I've seen so many tutorials that people make it look so complicated and like it's this big crazy science, and it's really just not that crazy. So it does take a little bit of practice to get it exactly right for your eye shape, but I'll try to point out some of those things as we go along. But again, just a super quick tutorial for you there. So hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a like, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Let's jump into it. First things first, I'm starting off with my favorite go-to eyeliner, the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1. And this one is completely brand new. Just gonna make sure I have that nice fine point there. Make sure you have a good fine point. I like to start on the inner corner of my eyes, and I like to just line as close as I can to my eyelashes and just get that nice base layer just kind of laid down. Keep in mind your hands are going to have to go opposite ways. It's one of the biggest reasons why it's hard to get your eyeliner to look exactly the same on both sides, because your hands have to take different stances. Unless, of course, you're ambidextrous, in which case I bet you're probably not exactly, I don't know, talented exactly the same way with both hands, so I think my point still stands. And sorry for getting ahead of myself a little bit, guys, but when I get done with my base layer, I'm just going to start shaping out the angle that I want that winged liner, that wing to fall at. And for me, I like the wing to be at the same angle as if I were to draw a line and connect the outer corner of my eye to the outer corner or the outer edge of the tail of my eyebrow. So I do usually like to do my eyebrows first when I do this. And if it gets a little fanned out like that, it's even brand new, they do that. Just kind of knock it together on the inside of the lid and it'll usually stick it back together. So what I'm doing now is just kind of thickening up that wing. So you're going to notice that I'm going to go back and forth between both of my eyes because I want them to look the same on both sides. And I find that if I do just one and then try to do just the other one, I'm not going to be able to get them even. So I'm just going to gradually build this up until it's the thickness that I want. Some days I want it a little thicker than other days. So it's going to be, you know, just a product of the moment. Come on. There we go. Eyeliner tutorial with all the dogs in my lap. Alright, here we go. All the Robins. Alright. Eyeliner, mascara. So when I get those wings, you know, even and about where I want them to be, I'm just going to coat my lashes in mascara. Always do your mascara after your eyeliner. I know that's a mistake that some people make, but definitely always do your mascara after you do your eyeliner. And when you do your mascara, just a quick tip on this, kind of blink into the brush and roll it, and I find that it makes it a lot easier to get it down to the base of your eyelashes. And not really a part of the tutorial or anything, but I'm just gonna finish off my lips with just a plumping gloss because I don't often do a natural lip, but you know what the heck, it's summer, let's do this. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it makes your winged liner a little easier, a little more approachable, and a little more something you're happy to do every single day, because I know, I always just feel better when I have a wing on. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.